guys, how's your day? Welcome to my English lesson with me, Florita Mela Rosalia. Today's topic is for P4 students. What is our material? Can you guess? As you can see from the picture and you can read from the title, yes, it's about party planning. So what is it? Let's check it out. Before we go further, I will tell you learning goals from our topic today. So the first one, the students can answer questions about the invitation letter. Next, students can identify features of the invitation. And then, students can make plans using future plan with future be going to. And last but not least, students can write an invitation and reply the invitation. So here I have several questions for you. Can you answer me? First, what did you do to celebrate your last birthday? Can you remember? Did you have a party? Okay, nice. And then the second question, did you invite your friends to your party? If it is yes, how did you invite them? So, by email, or by text, by an invitation that you post or hand, or with a phone. Wow, so great! Interesting answers. So for today, we are going to discuss invitation that sent by email. So let's check it out. Okay, so for the first activity that we are going to do is reading the invitation. I will give you the example of the invitation. Can you read it? And then I will give you some question related to text. And you can answer the question. Okay, is it clear? Read the invitation together. Hi Lauren, how are you? Hope you're having a great holiday. I'm writing to ask if you'd like to come to my birthday party on the 29th July. We're going bowling at the Plaza Center and then we're going to have lunch at the Milo restaurant. It's going to be pizza and birthday cake. I really hope you can make it. It'll be really good fun. I'm going to invite Vivian, Lena, and Cindy too, but I haven't emailed them yet. My little sister will be there and your little brother can come too. Are you going to be here in July? I know it's school holiday and you might be away. Please let me know soon if you can come. Hope to hear from you soon. From Manyi. After you read the invitation, can you answer the following question here? Number 1, why is Manyi writing letter to Lauren? Can you find the answer? So the answer is she is inviting Lauren to her birthday party. Nice. Next, number 2. What is Manyi's plan for her birthday? She is going to invite her friends to go bowling at Plaza Center and have lunch at the Milo restaurant. Okay, next question number 3. Whom are Manyi going to invite to her birthday party? Of course, her friends. She is going to invite Vivian, Lena, and Cindy. Question number 4. What should Lauren do after read the email? She should reply Manyi's email. Nice. So, your answers? Are the previous questions hard? No, right? Okay, so now let's read Lauren's reply. This is Lauren's reply. Hi Manyi, thanks for your invitation. I'm not going to be away on the 29th, so I'd love to come to your party. My family are all going on holiday next week, but we'll be back 2 days before your birthday. So my mom says I can come to your party, no problem. My mom is asking if you can email us the arrangements. Thanks. See you there, Lauren. So, can you now answer the question here? What is the purpose of Lauren's reply? Yes, correctly. She replied that she is going to come to Mandy's birthday party. And what is the second one? What is Lauren going to do during the holiday? She is going to have holiday with her family. Okay, nice everyone. Now we want to know further the invitation features. What are they? In the invitation letter, there are some parts. The first one, Hi Lauren. So here, you need to mention the receiver, to whom the letter will be. And then the second one, How are you? Hope you're having a great holiday here. So you give the informal introduction. You open your invitation here by asking the condition. And I'm writing to ask if you'd like to come to my birthday party. So this is the reason for writing the invitation. Next, we go to the third part. We're going bowling at the Plaza Center and then going to have lunch at the Milo restaurant and so on. Here will be the details from your invitation. The fourth part, are you going to be here in July? So here you ask information to the receiver. And then the fifth part, hope to hear from you soon. So here, saying goodbye to the receiver. And don't forget, from the last part, you need to write the sender. So is it clear for the features you have in the invitation letter? Besides, we learn parts of invitation. Now we are going to learn how to express a plan. Yeah, so we are going to learn how to use be going to. So, to make future plans, you can use this kind of sentence form. Be going to, and then followed by a verb action. The first example, we are going to have lunch at the Milo restaurant. So, after subject, you mention the to be, and then going to, and the verb action here is have. Second one, I'm not going to be away. This is how to make the negative sentence. You put not after the to be here, and then followed by going to, and because this is away is adjective, so you give be here. I'm not going to be away. So is it clear for this form? Let's have a practice. Here a practice. Read and complete Mandy's reply to Lauren. You can choose the correct words below. I provide 6 options. There are be, call, no email, come, meet, and go. Can you please complete the blanks, and then later we can check the answer together. Now let's check your answer together. I will read the paragraph here for you. Hi Lauren, so please you can come to my party. We are going to meet at the entrance to the Plaza Center at 10 a.m. Lunch is at 12:30 and finishes at 2 p.m. Oh yes, my cousin May is going to be there too. Next, is your brother going to come? My mom is not going to email a map now. She'll send it nearer the time. Enjoy your holiday. Speak to you soon, Mandy. So, are all the answers here from you correct? Nice, everyone. So, is it clear for the material? Let's continue. After you understand the features of invitation and know how to express a future plan, this is the time for you. I will give you a writing assignment. You are going to write an email invitation. Here are the details. You will choose one of these. First, a birthday party or an end of term celebration, or the third one you can choose your own. Next, write an email to your partner to invite him or her to the celebration. And then, Say why you are writing, explain the plans for the event, and ask your friend to reply. The last one, swap emails with your partner and then you can answer it. If you cannot come to the celebration, explain why. Is it clear? And then you can submit your assignment here to the classroom. So this is the end of our lesson today. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for listening and paying attention to my lesson. See you!